Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. After a long time, I'm uploading another technique. So let me summarize. We learn add and subtract under 4, add and subtract under 9, how to borrow 5, how to borrow 10, and 3-step add and subtract. We did lots of practices also. If you didn't watch that videos, please go to my channel and check my playlist or videos. Let's go to today's technique. After this, we are going to do lots of exercises according to these rules. Please be careful while moving beads. The fingers process is very important. Grab your abacus and let's start. First, make 0 position. Let's do this number. My marked route is this one. So first placed 11. First you have to place 10 and last 1. First 10 and 1, use your thumb. 12, 1 on 10th position and 2 on first position. Reduce 12. First reduce 10, use your pointer finger and 2. Next reduce 11. First reduce 10 and reduce 1. And your answer goes 0. So next one is first place 12, first place 10 and 2, 3, 1, 31, 3 and 1, minus 31, minus 3, minus 1. So we are removing number by its position. Last one is minus 12, 1, 2, 12 and it goes 0. Next one is 2 and 3, 23, 21, 2 and 1, 21. Reduce 21, first 2 and 1, 21, minus 23, 2 and 3, 23. It goes 0. Last one, 3 and 1, 1 and 3. Reduce 1, 3, 13, 1 and 3. And reduce 31, 3 and 1. It goes 0. So we have to do lots of exercises according to these rules. So let's do these exercises. First, make your abacus 0 position. Let me centered. We are going to do number 1. So you have to match this marked rod and the question. Understand? So first 11, 1, 1, 11, 12, 1, 2, 12, 21, 2, 1, 21, minus 22, minus 2, 2, 22, and minus 11, 1, 1, 11, and your answer is 1, 1, 11. Next, 2, 2, 22, 11, 1, 1, 11, minus 21, 2, 1, 21, 32, 3, 2, 32, minus 22, 2, 2, 22, and your answer is 2, 2, 22. Number 3, 3, 3, 33, 1, 1, 11, reduce 22, add 1 to 12 and reduce 1, 3, 13 and your answer is 2, 1, 21. Number 4, 1, 3, 13, 3, 1, 31, reduce 12, 1 to 12, reduce 1, 1, 11 and add 1, 3, 13. Your answer is 34. Add 2, 3, 23, add 1, 1, 11, reduce 2 to 23, add 3, 1, 31, and reduce 1, 3, 13. Your answer is 3, 0, 30. Two, 1, 21, 1, 3, 13, 1, 1, reduce 1, 1, 11, reduce 1 to 12, add 2 to 22 and your answer is 3, 3, 33. add 3 131, add 1 313, reduce 3 131, add 2 121, reduce 3 333, and your answer is 1. Add 3 to 32, add 1 111, reduce 1 111, reduce 2 121, and add 3 333. Your answer is 4 4 44. Last one, 1 111, 2 222, 1 111, 2 1, reduce to 121, and reduce to 323, and your answer goes 0. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.